Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to calculate discount percent in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In this table, we have original price and price after discount, and we have percentage discount. In first step, click into the cell in which you want your result to appear. From Home tab, go to Number section and click on percentage icon. And then write this formula equal 1 minus, open the bracket, price after discount divided into original price, and then close the bracket, hit enter. As you can see, 18% is discounted. If you change price after discount, let us change into 60, the discount percentage automatically became 29. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.